The Type 45 destroyer, also known as the BAE Daring class, is a class of 6 guided missile destroyers built for the United Kingdom's Royal Navy. The class is primarily designed for anti-aircraft and anti-missile warfare and is built around the PAAMS air defense system utilizing the SAMPSON AESA and the S-1850M long-range radars. The first 3 destroyers were assembled by BAE Systems Surface Fleet Solutions from partially prefabricated blocks built at different shipyards. The remaining 3 were built by BAE Systems Maritime, Naval Ships. The first ship in the Daring class, HMS Daring, was launched on 1 February 2006 and commissioned on 23 July 2009. The Type 45 destroyers were built to replace the Type 42 destroyers that had served during the Falklands War, with the last Type 42 being decommissioned in 2013. The National Audit Office reported that, during an intensive attack, a single Type 45 could simultaneously track, engage and destroy more targets than 5 Type 42 destroyers operating together. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.